What engine did that from?
It came out of his other truck.
Okay. Here, let me get this tire. Yeah, I think this is tire right here. Oh shit. Okay, hold up. Okay. Get on the side of it. Oh hell, that's heavy as fuck.
I got it,
Okay. Oh my god.
Damn. Oh, my Pepsi paid the price.
Good thing Quick Trip is right down the road, and we actually moved here, so Dave will survive today. Okay. Oh shit! Yes, move the water. You can't breathe. Well, then we might want to breathe. All right, let's put it down. Can't breathe. That means it's time for a cigarette, I'm sure. You okay? Okay, I got the cherry picker out. See? All right. Okay. Dave?